Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia C31. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive in the middle of Send and History on Nokia. Also on Nokia, pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window. Finally, we can go back to an Android. You need to tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. When you're ready, tap on Send next to select it. You can also just click on some of your files. In my case, this one photo. Tap on Send. And over here, select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon next to Input key on Nokia, selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access, and lastly, point your device's camera at the code in order to connect. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input Key section under Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers from an Android. We have a lot of time to do it. And connect by tapping on Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!